In the digital world of gaming and Twitch, everyone wants to be the best, but being the best is not always about the skill. Sometimes you could be the greatest player around, but if you have bad tools, you won't be able to score. Good tools make a great mechanic, not to mention you also need skills. So, let's just assume you have the skills to be the best. The only thing that you're lacking is a great tool. When it comes to gaming, it really matters how fast you can react, and sometimes you lose not because you weren't fast enough, but because it took your keyboard a little longer to respond to your action. And if this happens to you a lot, and now that you're tired of it, then my friend, you know what you have to do. And if we both are on the same page, then you must also be thinking about upgrading your keyboard. But how to figure out which one is best for you? I mean, there are tons of choices. How to pick the one that is there for you. If you're someone who doesn't like to waste his time over a ton of research that'll lead him nowhere, then you're at the right place because we have done all the research for you, so you don't have to. Welcome to Better Choice, and today we're counting down the list of the best gaming keyboard, so stick by with us and let us help you pick the best keyboard around. First up, we have Corsair K100 RGB Optical. When you want to go the extra mile and upgrade to the absolute best of the best, it's hard to find a more premium option than the Corsair K100 RGB. Be warned though, this is a big keyboard. Its enormous footprint still requires some desk clearing before it can be nested comfortably. But feature-wise, the K100 RGB's got it all. Dedicated MIDI controls and a USB pass-through, a metal volume wheel, RGB lighting. Speaking of RGB, there's an aggressive amount of RGB in this keyboard. So if you want something that is the best out of the best, then this is your keyboard. As we go down the list, we're going to downsize things a little. And in the end, you can decide which one fits the best for you. Next up, there is Mountain Everest Max. All things to all people, that's almost what the Mountain Everest Max gaming keyboard represents. Don't always need the numpad on a full-size keyboard, but it certainly comes in handy sometimes during the workday. When you're gaming though, all you want is a compact TKL board to get your mouse and keyboard hands closer together and give you more desktop real estate to fling around your rodent. Moving forward on this list, we have Razer Synosa Chroma. If even Mica membrane keys don't suit you and you demand a full membrane typing or gaming experience, the Razer Synosa is the deck for you. I know there are people out there who prefer the soft embrace of a pure membrane switch, and that's fine, everyone has their taste. And now we have G.Skill Cam 360. There was a trend towards $200 plus gaming keyboards in the market at the moment, but that doesn't mean that there aren't quality mechanical switchboards available at a more reasonable price. Often you'll find these more budget-oriented options offering cheap switches from other manufacturers, but the G.Skill Cam 360 comes featuring the classic Cherry MX Red Linear switch out of the gate. If you must pick up a wireless keyboard, then the Logitech G915 is a fine candidate. You'll be required to spend that little bit more for wireless functionality than what we tend to see for wired mechanical keyboards with similar features. There's a slightly cheaper TKL version, but we won't recommend that over the full-sized version of this keyboard. What you get for that significant cash investment is a sleek and sturdy board plated in brushed aluminum. There are some smart media controls in the upper right-hand corner of the board, including a lovely volume wheel, and there's a handful of macro keys down the left side of the keyboard. There can be programmed to whatever you see fit on per app or per game basis within the Logitech G software. Fancy, right? For a board that can be illuminated in up to 16.9 million colors, the HyperX Alloy Elite Sports, a relatively simple aesthetic, will still pack in the features we expect out of a quality gaming keyboard. It comes in your choice of Cherry MX Brown, Blue, and Red. What it lacks in a dedicated macro column, it makes up for with its reasonable price and quality, durable design. Next up, we have the most unique design on the list. We have a split keyboard. How cool is that? The original Freestyle Edge from Kinesis was one of the best split ergonomic keyboards on the market. This upgraded model improves on the original in several ways. It retains the split design, allowing you to set the deck's two halves at shoulder width and reduce back, neck, and shoulder strain. The gap also lets you drop a flight stick or HOTAS in between them for space sims, or leave your controller within easy reach when you're typing in text chat or messengers between sessions. Next up on the list, we have Razer Huntsman Elite. The Huntsman family of Razer keyboards is the only place in the world to find their opto-mechanical switch, and it's one of the best and most technologically interesting switches on the market. The opto-mechanical build eschews traditional metal contacts and instead actuates by a beam of light that fires through the switch when the key is depressed, meaning actuation is almost instantaneous. The other major advantage of removing all the relatively frail, slender metal contacts from the switch is that they're rated as twice as durable as standard mechanical switches, up to 100 million keystrokes. They're tactile switches that actuate at 1.5 millimeters and 45 G of force, meaning they're ridiculously easy to spam but still provide tactile feedback. They're also great for typing for much the same reason. The last product on the list is SteelSeries Apex Pro. The Apex Pro may be built around one headline feature. Still, it's also an excellent competitive gaming keyboard, even without that groundbreaking customization. That said, adjusting the actuation point on a key-by-key basis is an incredible boon, particularly for anyone that splits their time between typing and gaming. Well, these were all the fantastic keyboards that you can't choose from. Do tell us in the comments section which one of these you will choose. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your other gamer friends and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I will catch you up in the next one. Bye-bye. Next one.